Explore the depths of HairLuminance and discover the keys to unlocking your hair's full potential. With each secret revealed, you'll inch closer to the lush, vibrant hair you've always dreamed of. Let HairLuminance be your guide on the path to hair transformation. With HairLuminance as your companion, your hair will become a testament to your inner strength and beauty, and embrace the mystery of HairLuminance and let its secrets guide you on a journey towards hair transformation. Say goodbye to hair loss and hello to a future filled with radiant locks. Let HairLuminance be your guide on the journey towards hair rejuvenation and embrace a future filled with confidence and beauty. With HairLuminance as your companion, your hair will become a symbol of your resilience and beauty. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of HairLuminance and let your hair become a testament to your inner beauty. Experience the transformation firsthand and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair.